What's up, guys? So, this next review I'm about to do, I paid the Apple Store visit today, and I have to go to the car to do it. So, let's go to the car, and we're going to do this unboxing. And judging from the title, I'm sure you already know what it is. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we are in the car. I really need to hurry up and do this because, as you see it, it is getting dark, so I need to hurry up. But I paid the Apple Store visit, and I picked up the Belkin car vent mount pro MagSafe. I just want to try it out. And I said, before I even open it, why not get this on camera and do it for you guys? We can do it together. We can unbox it together and see what's happening. Of course, maybe after a week or so, I'll come back and do another video showing how the thing actually works. Does it really hold your phone up strong enough? Is it stronger than the MagSafe wallet strong, or is it stronger, or what? So whatever have you. So we'll take a look at that. So you're presented with the MagSafe vent clip, and it has a clip on the back, and I'm guessing, oh, this is nice. I'll let you see that. This is nice. It resembles actually the MacBook or the iPad. Just the way the finishing is. This is really nice. And it's not really heavy, but it's not really light. So let me look and see. There are any instructions? Okay. No instructions. And I'm thinking, I thought you were able to, let me pull this down a little. I thought you were able to plug your charger into it. At least I thought. I need to look at the directions. So let's read a little. MagSafe keeps your new phone securely in place while driving. Rotates to view any orientation. Easy, seamless, one-handed use. Smart design keeps your cable conveniently accessible. So it really is just a clip. I thought you could, I don't know, I might have looked at the stuff. I seen pictures and things, and I might have looked at it wrong. So they want you to clip it in the middle. And if you turn it, you should turn the whole entire piece. Yeah, you turn the entire piece, not just your phone. Okay. Yeah, I just thought the charger, let me see if anything else is in here. I thought your charger, I don't know, it's just box. Okay. No Apple sticker. Oh, it's Belkin. No Belkin sticker. Okay. All right. Cool. All right, so I'm going to stick it here. Okay, so it's up there. One thing off the back that I don't like. So my old clip, what I'm able to do, I am able to twist this knob here, and it loosens up the two prongs here so that you're able to easily put it inside the vent. With the Belkin one, I just had to force it in. And I remember having my previous car I actually messed up one of the vents with a vent clip by doing that. So that's pretty much why I bought this one, because it had some adjustments so you're not tearing up your vent. But I just tried doing that to the Belkin, and the Belkin said, hey, this is it. This is what you get. All right, so here we go. We're going to put it on there and see what happens. Okay. Let's try taking it down. Okay, it comes off. Okay, I mean, it's there. Now, I will say it does look clean. When it comes to other vent clips, you have this holder that always goes around the phone, but that's invisible. And now it makes the phone look like it's invisible. I'm really not sure of how the cable management goes. I don't understand. I thought for some reason that you plug your cable inside the vent clip and then it charges through there. I don't know. Maybe I bought the wrong one. Maybe I need to research and look more. But I really thought that's what happens. I don't know. We'll have to see about that. So I'm going to do a couple tests here. I'm going to plug in my lightning cable and just see what happens. See if the phone recognizes it being connected to another MagSafe device. If there's a click or if there's a ding that comes up, just like how when you put on the cases or when you put on the wallet, it actually shows the picture. So let's see. Let's test it out and see. Okay. Nothing happens. Let me take it off silent to see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I really thought you would be able to charge it through. I don't know why. Because that's the case. This is just a magnet. I mean, but I don't know. So I'm going to drive with it this week and we'll see how well it stands up. If you're using vent clips and it is winter or even in the summer, and in the winter, close that vent because you will really mess up your phone. I think that's all I have for you. I am going to do a few more I'm going to look into it more just to see if I'm missing something, because it feels like I am missing something. And I just want to make sure that, are you able to plug something in? Because that's what I thought you could do. I thought you could plug something in and then it will work through there. So I'll be back with my full review and update on if I find anything out. Thanks for watching so much, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more videos. And also, Happy New Year. I don't think I got a chance to say that to you guys. Happy New Year, and I pray that your year is blessed and prosperous. Stay safe. All right, that's all I got.